Changing your phone number on Grubhub is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app. Launch the Grubhub app on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Personal Information or Profile. Tap on it to view your current details, including your phone number. Step 4. Edit your phone number. Find the section for your phone number and select the option to edit. Enter your new phone number carefully, ensuring it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for Save or Update button. Tap it to confirm the changes and update your account information. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated on Grubhub. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Grubhub customer support for assistance.